Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Ford Mustang key battery. First, ensure you have a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. This guide will walk you through each step, from carefully opening the key fob to inserting the new battery and reassembling it. It's a straightforward process that anyone can do at home. To begin, find the small notch or seam on the side of your Mustang key fob. Carefully insert a small flathead screwdriver or even a coin into this opening. With a gentle twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be sure to apply even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. Once the key fob is open, you will see the old battery. Take a moment to note its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery using your screwdriver. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the slot, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely into place. Give it a good squeeze to ensure it's sealed. Then, immediately test the key fob's lock and unlock functions to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's Black Ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.